Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download datasets from Kaggle to train ML models. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Kaggle account. If you don't have an account, create one at kaggle.com. Navigate to the datasets section of the Kaggle website. Search for the dataset you want to download. Click on the dataset title to open its page. On the dataset page, locate the download button, usually found on the right side. Click the download button to initiate the download process. The dataset will be downloaded as a compressed file in zip format. Find the downloaded zip file in your Downloads folder. Extract the contents of the zip file using your preferred extraction tool. After extraction, you will see the dataset files, often in CSV format. Make sure to check the README file, if available, for details about the dataset. Now, let's prepare your environment for training your machine learning model. Import necessary libraries such as pandas and numpy in your Python script. Load the dataset using pandas to explore its structure and contents. Begin pre-processing the data to make it suitable for training. This includes handling missing values, encoding categorical variables, and normalizing features. Once the data is pre-processed, proceed to split it into training and testing sets. Choose an appropriate machine learning algorithm for your task. Train your model using the training dataset and evaluate its performance on the testing dataset. Now, you are ready to make predictions using your trained model. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.